and welcome to my latest video of this special little engine, and possibly one of the most fascinating pieces of engineering I've had the pleasure to tinker with. This is the Hoglet V-Twin. This lovely little V-Twin motorcycle engine is actually modelled on the iconic Harley Davidson V-Twin cylinder design, which has remained a classic engine from its conception in the 1920s up to the modern day. This was sent to me from Engine DIY and is manufactured by MUSA, an engineering manufacturer well known for creating extraordinary scale engines and replicas, built to the highest precision using modern CNC machining. The Hoglet isn't just a model though, it's a fully functional masterpiece that captures the spirit of the classic Harley Davidson's V-Twin engines in a 1/5 scale miniature. So we're going to dive straight into what makes this little marvel so special, and learn a bit about the history of this iconic Harley engine style, and of course we're going to give it a run. So let's start by looking at some of the key features of this open design engine. First up, the open crank design. Without crankcase or covers, we get a view of the cranks with a glimpse of the big ends as it rotates. By leaving the Hoglet naked, as it were, without any covers, we can see how the pushrods operate from the little camshaft. This is geared down to half speed from the engine drive shaft. The pushrods are also uncovered and have tiny adjustment nut to set and adjust the valve clearances. The rods operate the rocker arms, which operate the intake and exhaust valves on the cylinder head. And without a rocker cover, you can see all the fabulous mechanical movements of the valve train as the engine turns. The ignition system is a battery-powered electronic CDI unit, which is stored under the wooden base. This is common to many model miniature engines and uses two 18650 type batteries. A set of magnets on a rotating disc activate a Hall effect electronic sensor, sending a signal to the CDI to discharge the high voltage to the spark plugs. Now, timing is everything with an engine. The position of the piston at the moment the spark plug ignites the fuel is crucial for a lean burning and power efficient engine, and typically this needs to be set just before top dead centre on the compression cycle to allow the fuel to combust fully on the power cycle. This little Hoglet allows for fine adjustments of the timing on the fly. As the engine is running, the sensor position can be adjusted so that the engine can be advanced or retarded to ensure a smooth, clean running engine. This running adjustment is a very nice feature to have, especially when troubleshooting or using different fuels, as you can tune it by ear simply by shifting the hall sensor position. Now, the tiny Hoglet engine uses tiny spark plugs, as expected, but these are especially tiny, as all the model engines I've used up to now use the standard 1/4 by 32 plugs, but these plugs on the Hoglet are even smaller still, using 316 by 40 plugs, and are very tiny indeed. but of course they need to be fully functional as a critical part of the ignition system. The carburettor is a regular MUSA unit with an idle adjust needle valve below and an air intake with a rotating air valve, and of course a fuel supply connection. The fuel tank is filled with petrol, or gasoline as those over the pond like to call it, in a 2-stroke mixture so that oil lubrication of the piston is achieved when running. The engine can be started with an electric drill via a 6mm shaft inserted into the one-way bearing on the pulley. But it also features this awesome little kickstarter. Now this is a lovely feature with a classic folding pedal design and a recoil spring. This is geared to a shaft with a one-way bearing so that the engine does not kick back during starting. to truly appreciate the Hoglet, we need to take a quick ride down memory lane and explore the origins of the iconic Harley Davidson V-twin engine. Harley Davidson was founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and their first V-twin engine appeared in 1909. But it wasn't until the 1920s that their now famous 45-degree V-twin design really came into its own. This engine design became a cornerstone of the Harley brand, known for its distinctive sound, rugged reliability, and unmistakable character traits that live on in every Harley to this day. Now, this little engine, once tuned, purrs just like its big brothers. OK, it can't quite get to an ultra-slow tick-over due to the scale, but it's a fun engine to run. Now, no conversation about Harley Davidson is complete without mentioning its passionate community of riders and fans. The Harley Owners Group, or HOG as it is affectionately known, is a global phenomenon. Oh, I knew it was a bad idea to write that word into my script. It was a global phenomenon, bringing together enthusiasts who share a love for the open road and the Harley Davidson spirit. Many owners also refer to their machines as hogs, which is why this miniature hog is called the Hoglet.
Yeah, that was hot, man.
It's a sense of camaraderie that makes Harley Davidson more than just a brand, a lifestyle. And for those of you as fascinated by miniature engineering as I am, Engine DIY offers a full range of Harley Davidson engine replicas, from the classic shovel head to the iconic knucklehead and beyond. There's something for every model engine collector or Harley enthusiast. See the links in the video description. Engine DIY have very kindly given me a 15% off discount code which you can use on their website. Just enter AS15 at the checkout. So folks, before I wrap up, I have to say, this Hoglet is nothing short of extraordinary. Its craftsmanship, functionality and the sheer joy it brings are a testament to the art of engineering in miniature. It's not just an engine, it's a piece of mechanical poetry. I'm not a Harley owner, but I do love the awesome sound of the V-twin engine and would love to ride off into the sunset one day on a classic Harley hog. But for now, I'll just have to wait to run my Harley Hoglet as the sun sets during the summertime. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of the Hoglet and Harley Davidson. Thanks to all you wonderful, interesting people who follow my YouTube channel. You all mean a lot to me with your support. Please give it a like and leave me a comment. I always reply to friendly comments and I love interacting with you all. Or if this is your first time visiting my channel, please click subscribe for future videos. And if you enjoyed the video, please show support by buying me a coffee at coffee.com. Every penny helps. I like full caffeine, strong, with milk and sugar. Thanks. Link in the description below. So, until next time, keep your engines running and your spirit of adventure alive. See you on the road. Thanks for watching.